Hi everyone, this is Dr. Lagos, and I'd like to welcome you to History 102B, Modern Greek Culture and Language online version of this course for spring semester 2021. I'm very excited to continue on with this course, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about how we're going to be proceeding this semester. We've got a couple new additions of people to the course, so I want to make sure that I go through what the course is like and some of the objectives, so we're all on the same footing as we begin the semester. So as you see, this is all online. It's an asynchronous course. So technically, you'll be able to complete the course online without having any direct contact or live contact with me on a regular basis throughout the semester. You can reach me at my email, klagos@csus.edu. We can either communicate via email, we can always call and talk on the phone, or if you would like to talk on Zoom, I'm more than welcome to doing that. So let's look at the syllabus so we can go through what's going to be happening this semester. So you can contact me. I did put my office in case I go there and we want to talk from there. That's fine too. Generally, I'm pretty quick at getting back to people with emails and any sort of questions or comments. If you do it during the week, by the end of business, typically I will have responded to you on the weekend. I might not get to you as quickly as I would during the week, but I will definitely by the end of Sunday evening, I should have gotten back to you. So this course, we're going to continue on from 102A. That doesn't mean that you have to, that you needed to take 102A in order to complete this course. This is all about 20th century Greece, and there is no assumption of knowledge of European history or Greek history. It's great if you do know, but it doesn't kind of determine the outcome of your ability in this course and your success in the course. So what we're going to be doing is the first week of this week, you're going to have a refresher lecture of an overview of Greece during the 19th century. It will either acquaint you with some of the fundamental concept or refresh your memory on some of the fundamental concept that kind of characterized Greece during the earliest century of its evolution. So this course is going to be comprised of history lectures, literary lectures, and a relaxed version of learning the modern Greek language. We are going to have a continuation of the Sta Elinika program, and it's called Rebooting Greek for the university level. So that's how ours is titled. And we're going to continue on with modules 5 through 8. For those of you who have not taken any Greek, you're going to be going back to the very beginning and acquaint yourself with all of the descriptions and explanations that were recorded from the first semester. Kyriatoula gave lectures on the first part of modern Greek, and you can always go back to all of those tutorials and her PowerPoint slides to be able to successfully complete the assignments for the week in Rebooting Greek. We're not going to have an essay or a longer paper like we did last semester, where we wrote on Roidis's famous work, Pope Joan. Rather, this course is going to be comprised of just short answer questions and the exams. So as you see here on the grading, the participation is 10%. Those weekly paper assignments that we're going to be completing is 30%, and the examinations. So the participation is going to come by way of completing the little questions that I have for every single lecture, whether it's history or literature. There are going to be questions or papers, I'll have to rework this, for every week that you read the literature. So you're going to be answering questions about that. That is going to go under the papers category. Then we're going to have the examinations. We're going to have an examination Wednesday, March 25th, and then again, May 19th. Since you're an asynchronous course, you're given 48 hours to complete the exam. The exams are going to be based on short ID, short essay, or fill in the blank, or multiple choice for the modern Greek component. So you have literature, history, and the modern Greek language. The final exam is not cumulative. It's only going to be based on the material from the midterm forward. So I use a standard grading scale, and let's go through the course materials just to refresh you or to acquaint you with what we have. And what made me really, really happy this academic year is I discovered that the Koliopoulos Veremis book, Modern Greece, A History Since 1821, exists online, full, complete access from our library portal. So that is fantastic because this is a $100 book and you're going to be able to get it for free just accessing it through the library. The David Ricks book, Modern Greek Writing, an Anthology in English Translation, is the only book you're required to actually purchase. Please go to Amazon.com. You can go to ABE Books or other booksellers online to get your copy. It is around $25, $30. It is a phenomenal book. It is the only one that has all these translations, and you won't be able to complete the course without this book. So it is a beyond required. It is a mandatory text. You will need it in order to do the assignments. So if you have any issue, I have a special arrangement with the publishing company, and they could produce one on demand for you. Finally, the Style Linica, or Rebooting Greek from Simon Fraser University, is available to all of you for free. So you'll be learning modules about your characteristics, occupation, family, some other stuff this semester. And we're going to have Kyriatoula giving the weekly lectures. So to kind of help you, you are more than welcome. You're all invited to attend the live Zoom sessions I'll be having with section 1 of this course every Wednesday morning. But you're not required to. If you can't make it, I will be recording all of the lectures and creating a folder that you can access those lectures. In those lectures, we're going to cover modern Greek. I'll be giving a little bit of the history and, of course, the literary explanations and discussion of all the assignments. So you're required to watch the lectures or the Wednesday class sessions. So either you could do it live or you could watch the video version. So this week, you're going to have this video that you're watching. You're going to have an overview of 19th century Greece, and I need you to read pages 64 to 67, a whole 3 pages of the Koliopoulos Veremis book. On Wednesday, Kyriatoula is going to be discussing some of the main concepts that we discussed in the first semester for modern Greek, and she'll provide a little worksheet for you to kind of complete by next week in order for us to then move forward to the next module. So it's kind of reacquainting us with the modern Greek, getting us ready as we move forward in the program. So we've got all this here. All the assignments are given. If you have any questions, any concerns, please reach out to me and I will do my very best to help you. And I look forward to a wonderful semester. We're going to discuss amazing literature. We're going to watch a film, Zorba the Greek, that kind of characterizes Greeks, and a little bit of stereotyping involved. So we're going to be able to unpack all that. But it's going to be an enjoyable semester. I look forward to it, and I hope you enjoy the classes I do. And I look forward to seeing you possibly on Wednesday, or if not, send me an email and let me know everything's going well. All right. Have a great semester. Welcome to History 102B. I'll talk to you soon.